Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Lovable AI. So the big question is Lovable AI actually worth the hype? Can it replace traditional coding for most people? And is it the best AI website and app builder currently available? Well, in today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Lovable AI. So let's get started. Lovable AI is an AI-powered software development platform that allows almost anyone to create websites and full-stack web applications simply by describing what they want in plain English. Instead of spending hours learning programming languages like JavaScript, React, or Python, users simply chat with the AI. You explain your idea, and Lovable generates the application, designs the interface, writes the code, creates the backend when necessary, and even helps deploy the finished project. Now, what are the main features of using Lovable AI? Natural language development. The biggest feature is the conversational app development. Instead of dragging blocks around or manually writing code, you simply describe what you want by chatting with the AI. The AI continues improving your project based on follow-up requests. Full website and web app generation. Lovable isn't limited to landing pages. It can build SaaS platforms, dashboards, customer portals, internal business tools, CRM systems, booking systems, marketplaces, portfolio websites, and AI applications. Beautiful UI design. One thing Lovable does especially well is interface design. Instead of producing outdated layouts, the generated interfaces generally follow modern design trends. AI coding partner. Rather than generating code once and stopping, Lovable stays involved throughout development. You can continue chatting with the AI to fix the bugs, improve layouts, refactor code, add features, simplify workflows, and optimize performance. The conversation becomes an ongoing development process. Authentication. Many modern apps require user accounts. Lovable can generate authentication systems that include login pages, registration, password recovery, user management, and even protected routes. So this removes one of the more time-consuming parts of building SaaS products. And next is the AI features. Lovable also makes it easy to embed AI into the apps that you build. So developers can add capabilities such as chatbots, documents, Q&A, summaries, translation, automation, and even other AI-powered experiences without manually managing API keys. AI usage is billed separately based on the underlying model used. And another thing is deployment. Once your application is ready, Lovable helps publish it so it can be shared with users without requiring a complicated deployment workflow. Now, what is the pricing of Lovable like? There's a free plan. You start for free and you can upgrade to get the capacity that exactly matches your team needs. There's a pro plan at $25 per month. There's a business plan at $50 per month. And an enterprise plan where you book a demo and contact the sales team for a custom pricing. Now, if you pay annually, the prices get slashed. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Lovable? First, the pros. It's extremely beginner friendly. Little or no coding knowledge is required. It produces attractive modern user interfaces and is excellent for MVPs and rapid prototyping. It saves developers countless hours and generates full-stack applications. It also supports authentication and databases. How about the cons? The pricing is somewhat credit-based. So the pricing that I earlier mentioned would go up if you want to buy more credits in a month. That credit-based pricing can become expensive for heavy usage. And there are some complex applications that may still require manual coding. And one important thing is that before deployment, generated code should be reviewed. Advanced customization can still require developer knowledge to a reasonable degree. So having considered the pros and cons and the main features, is Lovable AI still the best AI app builder available today? Well, for many users, it's certainly one of the strongest options on the market. Overall, I would absolutely recommend Lovable AI to entrepreneurs, creators, startups, designers, and developers looking to accelerate the development process. Just keep in mind that, like any AI coding platform, it's most effective when paired with good judgment and careful testing. And that's it on the review of Lovable AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Cursor, Riplet, and Bolt.new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.